10 super funny jokes in English for ESL students with explanation. Do you understand humor in English? It's very hard to understand jokes, right? But understanding jokes means that you have a very high level of English. In this video, I'm going to give you 10 English jokes plus the meaning, and I'm also going to explain why they are funny to us. Maybe not to you, but to us, they are quite funny. Can you name a country with no R in it? No way. Do you get it? Do you get it means do you understand the joke? You have two options. You can say, no, I don't get it. I don't get it means I don't understand. I don't see why you think it's funny. I don't get it. Or you can say, yes, I get it. And if you say that, you have to laugh. Ha ha ha. Hey, no way. Think about it. Why is it funny? In this joke, there is a double meaning. A double meaning means that there are two different meanings. The first meaning is no way means it's impossible. No way. Impossible. But no way is also Norway without the letter R. So can you name a country with no R in it? No way instead of Norway. Now you can laugh. What do you call cheese that is not yours? Think about it. What do you call cheese that is not yours? You call it nacho cheese. Do you get it? You can tell me I don't get it or I get it. Now, I hope you understand why it's funny. Okay, say nacho cheese as fast as you can. Do it right now. Nacho cheese, nacho cheese, nacho cheese, nacho cheese. Okay? Do you get it now? Nacho cheese sounds like not your cheese in rapid speech. So if you say it very fast, nacho cheese, not your cheese. It's not yours. It is someone else's cheese. You can laugh now. Here is a little background knowledge to help you. And for many jokes, you need to have a little bit of background knowledge. To fart is this. That is to fart, okay? You probably didn't know that verb, but now you know it, okay? Here's the joke. You shouldn't fart in an Apple store. Oh, really? Why not? Think about it. Do you know the answer? Because they don't have windows. Ba-dum, ding. Do you get it? So they don't have windows. Windows or Windows, the computer program, right? So if you have an Apple computer, for example, they don't have the Windows system. They cannot open the windows if you fart in an Apple store. Do you know what days are the strongest of the week? Saturday and Sunday. Think about it. Why is it Saturday and Sunday? Because the other days are weekdays. Do you get it? I hope you get it. Here's the explanation. It's funny because Saturday and Sunday are strong days. Okay, strong days. So what days are the strongest of the week? The other days, Monday to Friday, are weekdays. Strong, weak. Those two words are opposite. Now, weekdays sounds like weekdays. The week, the days of the week, not the weekend. They sound the same, so that's why we think it's very funny. You can laugh now. Here is something you must know to understand the next joke. A, B, C, D, and so on is the alphabet. You know the alphabet song, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You know that, okay? We call that the alphabet. Now, how many letters are there in the alphabet? Each language has a different alphabet, but in English, the English alphabet has 26 different letters, okay? So that is background knowledge, and you must know this. Remember, 26 letters, okay? Here's the joke. I only know 25 letters of the alphabet. I don't know why. Do you get it? I don't know why. I think you probably got this one. Why is it funny? Because as we said, the alphabet has 26 letters, but the guy said, I don't know why. It sounds the same as I don't know why, the letter Y. So 26 letters minus Y equals 25 letters. I know only 25 letters of the alphabet. I love this one. I hate hotel towels. They are so thick and fluffy. I can't even close my suitcase. Do you get it? This one's a good one. Okay, why is it funny? Think about it. Nobody hates thick and fluffy towels. You know, if you buy towels, you want your towels to be thick and fluffy. But the guy says, I hate hotel towels because they are so thick and fluffy. They're terrible. I can't even close my suitcase. So he just hates those towels because he can't steal them easily. He cannot put them in his suitcase because they're too thick. He's like, I hate those towels. I can't steal them. What is the best thing about Switzerland, the country? Think about it. You ready? Here's the joke. I don't know, but their flag is a big plus. Their flag is a big plus. Do you get it? This one is a pretty difficult joke to understand. Why is it funny? Because it's a big plus, means it's an advantage, a positive thing, okay? So their flag is a positive thing, but also a big plus is a big plus sign. And on the Swiss flag, there is a big plus sign, so that's why it's funny. I told my wife she drew her eyebrows too high. She looked surprised. Do you get it? Once again, this joke has a double meaning. Here we go. So why is it funny? Because she looked surprised can mean because I said that, she was surprised. Like the girl in the picture. She said, oh my God, really? I draw my eyebrows too high? You think so? So she was surprised. But there's another meaning. She looked surprised because of her eyebrows, right? If you draw them too high, maybe your face has the appearance of being surprised all the time. So once again, double meaning. Here's a little help for the next joke. Do you know this kind of people? These people are hippies. So this is a hippie couple from the 1960s or the 1970s. A hippie man, a hippie woman. What do you call a hippie's wife? Think about it. What do you call a hippie's wife? Do you know? Mississippi. Huh? You're like, what? Do you get it? Mississippi. Okay. Why is it funny? Because Mississippi is a state in the USA. You probably know this already. So Mississippi is a state in the United States, but a married woman in English is also called Mrs., like Mrs. Smith. We pronounce it Mrs. So Mississippi sounds like Mrs. Hippie. Mississippi, Mississippi. Oh. That's pretty funny. My friend David lost his ID. Now we just call him Dave. Do you get it? I hope so. This one is super easy to understand, right? So why is it funny? Because the first meaning is David lost his ID card. So that's what you should be thinking. My friend David lost his ID. And you're like, oh no, that's terrible. He needs to get a new ID card. But the second meaning is David lost the two last letters in his name. So now we just call him Dave. David minus ID becomes Dave. You can laugh at that one. That's a good one. And hey, one last joke before we go, okay? Which is faster, hot or cold? Think about it and write your answer in the comments, and I will give you the answer later. Thank you for watching and keep on laughing. See you in the next video. Bye bye.